All right, thanks, Simone. And speaking of fire, when a smoke alarm starts blaring, you know the situation could turn deadly. But even more dangerous is when one stops working altogether. THV 11's Carter Thwee tagged along with Red Cross today as they took matters into their own hands to keep the community safe.
Brooke, this was a joint effort between the Red Cross and the Pine Bluff Fire Department, going into homes that needed smoke detectors and helping those families out. And I know from tagging along that at least one family really appreciated it.
Going around door to door and assessing need and trying to get smoke alarms in homes.
Guy Riggins is a community disaster program specialist for the Red Cross. Their Sound the Alarm event took place Saturday, but the preparations have been going on for weeks.
We've done some marketing, we've gone door to door, we've done some door knocking, some door hangers, and we've worked with our partners in the community here to identify some good neighborhoods as far as the need.
That led Riggins and his team to the home of Dionne Bates Saturday morning. She says her home didn't have any smoke alarms, but that won't be the case any longer.
They came by my house and told me to set up an appointment if I was interested. It's good. We need these in the house. We have children. We want to make sure they're safe.
And that was another thing Saturday's effort focused on: education for homeowners, particularly with the kids in mind.
We talked about how we prepared the children in case of a fire, and we haven't did so now we know.
Saturday's event may be over, but Riggins says this effort isn't done, because any home they visit could be another life saved.
Every day we're dealing with folks that are experiencing home fires, so what we want to do is to try to lessen that impact in any way we can.
And Riggins says if you're interested in getting new smoke alarms or having your current ones fixed or checked, you can call 1-800-RED-CROSS to set up an appointment.